In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Udemy course progress. Whether you want a fresh start on a course or simply wish to remove it from your learning list, you'll find the process quite straightforward. Let's dive into the steps together. First, you need to log into your Udemy account. Head over to udemy.com, and if you aren't already logged in, you should see the option to input your username and password. Make sure these details are correct and up to date, as the login process requires accurate information for access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll notice your personalized homepage. Next, direct your attention to your profile section. You can easily find this by looking to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you're going to select the option labeled My Learning. This area serves as a hub for all the courses you've enrolled in, providing an overview of your learning journey on the platform. Now, let's locate the specific course you wish to reset or remove. Scroll through your My Learning page and browse the list of courses until you find the one that's been on your mind. Take your time to ensure you've selected the correct course for this process. Once you've identified the desired course, you'll notice a small icon in the form of 3 dots situated right next to the course title. Click on these 3 dots to prompt a menu containing various options related to your course management. This menu allows you to interact with the course in different ways, ensuring that you can customize your learning experience according to your needs. From the options presented, you will see Remove from my courses. Selecting this option initiates the process of unenrolling from the course. A message or pop-up will typically appear asking you to confirm your choice. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental removals from your learning list. Take a moment to review your decision and proceed to confirm your removal if you are sure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed or reset your course progress on Udemy. Remember, doing so doesn't impact your ability to re-enroll in the course later. It simply clears your progress for the time being. You can always start afresh whenever you're ready. This method is a great way to manage your learning experience, especially if you like to revisit courses with a clean slate. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance. Until next time, happy learning.